Hey there bag makers, thanks for watching. It feels like ages since I've done a video like this, but I recently got the bag makers box from Studio 77, so I thought I'd open it and share with you what's inside. Emma sends out the boxes every 2 months, I think it is, and I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to sign up and get one. So let's get it opened. So this is the box completely. I haven't had a look in it yet. So we have a leaflet with some ideas of what to make with the goodies inside. There's some discount codes as well for the patterns that she recommends. So I'll have a proper look at that in a minute. Tea bags, always great with me because I love my tea. Woven labels that say hello summer. Oh, they're fab. So that's in there. Oh, pineapple zipper tape. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. And this is got like a gunmetal effect. Teeth. That's a number 5 zipper tape. And some clear vinyl, which has, I don't know if you can see that, if the camera's picking it up, that's a bit better. They are also pineapples, so they match great with the zipper tape. Some little stickers, or they can go on my machines. So some scissors and a sticker that says "so ready for the day." And there's also some, I'll open them so you probably can see better, some pineapple zipper tabs. They're also a number 5, so they'll go with the zipper tape that was in there. There's 2 of them. That's fantastic. So the leaflet has a couple of patterns inside, one of which is actually using vinyl, sorry, the clear vinyl. So that's fab. And like I said, there's 20% off coupons for each of the designers who've contributed patterns as well. That's fab. I love that. So the box comes out every 2 months, I think it is. I'll post the sign up details in the description box down below, and I am off to make myself a cup of tea with that lovely strawberry lemon flavoured fruit infusion tea bag. Thanks very much, Emma. Thanks for watching. I also got this the other day when I couldn't sleep, so I thought I'd open this for you as well. So this is from a place called Sour Cherry. Look at the wrapping. This is amazing. Thanks, Deborah, written on there. Some scissors. And I got these because I was looking for some new earrings, and these came up on my news feed. It's a little card telling you how to take care of your jewellery. Oh, and a silver polishing cloth. That's good. So I think these might be the earrings. how fab are they? I'm not sure if you can see them properly, but they're a sewing machine and a pair of scissors, and then the necklace to match. Which is also a sewing machine and a pair of scissors. So they're from Sour Cherry, I bought them from. So thought I'd share them with you too. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to see my next video when it's released. I'll see you next time.